we discussed an observation for Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones, and we had seen that both were trading opposite yesterday. While US30 has seen a good drop, and US100 mostly traded bullish and in fact failed to trade on the downside. So now, what to expect today? Are they going to continue in the same fashion, or are we going to see a drop in Nasdaq 100 or a rise in Dow Jones? Which is going to be the target today? What position you should enter? And what could to expect from these two, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update on Dow Jones and Nasdaq will be released before the US session, so do watch that also. And let's have a look at the hourly charts. Now see, US100 on the hourly charts getting the resistance here at 11,620 levels, and see a couple of candles approaching there and reversing since then. That is the first observation. Second observation is higher lows are seen in US100. And if you just stretch this a bit, see, this was the previous low at 11,440, and I have told you several times only bearish confirmation is below 11,454 440 levels, and since then it is trying to trade bullish. See, the first resistance was at 560, it has breached this. 11,620 is done. So only sell confirmation one can expect today in US100 is if it trades below. See, I'll take it a little far. I expect it to drop. If you see US100 trading below 11,500, you can sell for 11,470, 440, and only if it trades below 11,440, you can consider this to be bearish. Else, till the time we see it trading above 11,500, we should not try to take a sell position. Rather, those who wants to risk a little more can sell at 11,520, but then 500 is definitely a very good support. 470, 480 is the next support, and below that 440 levels to be seen. So 11,520 itself you can sell. And also, if you look at it, is still trying to trade in this bullish channel, but with the flat top. So wait for it to break past 11,620 levels. But let's have a further detailed look. Directional movement here is extremely bullish, extremely divergent, so little convergence is expected. RSI looking upwards. MACD is not indicative of anything. RSI looking down there. And if you look at 2 hour, now look at the 2 hour charts closely, you will find higher lows, certainly 11,520, very good support there. Now look at these two candles. See, previously it was trading in consolidation, then this give a breakout. Higher highs, the same levels were achieved for the previous candle. And see, these two candles specifically trading with this support, trading with this bullish channel. On the downside, there are very strong support from this trend line. Now see, the candle has a very strong long tail and a smaller green body. So once it trades beyond 11,580, again you can buy for 11,600, 620 levels, and beyond that further bullishness to be seen. So, and on the downside, this zone at 11,480 is very support, very strong support. Now, so that is very clear that in between 520 and 580 at least should not take any position in Nasdaq 100. Directional movement here is bullish, stochastic dropping, MACD not indicative, however crossing forward to a bullish move. RSI trying to look forwards to upside again. And if you look at the 3 hour chart, see 3 hour charts trading with the 20 period moving average, but see the divergence there is diminishing. Now it is trading with very close movement to the 20 period moving average, and hence it is waiting for the breakout only below 11,500. We can expect further bearishness 11,480, 450 levels, and if it breaks that 11,400 is a very good support on the downside. So we'll wait how it behaves there. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic dropping a bit, MACD is bearish trying to converge, RSI looking down here. And if you look at 4 hour chart, the candle is still green, and previous candle you can see was the breakout here, and it traded bullish, however retracing here again. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic flat, MACD is bearish here trying to converge a bit, RSI is also trading near to the highs there. Now if you look at the daily charts, now on the daily chart, see for last two candles higher highs. See the body size also is negligible, and both traded close to the median here only. Now for the day, this makes 11,500, 480 as the maximum support, and if it breaks below 11,480, we can expect a good sharp drop this time, which might take it till towards 11,440 and 11,400, and in fact it can breach 11,400 levels. Remember this fact, It is trying to consolidate here on the upside. Any drop on the downside should bring more bears there. So you have to remain cautious. However, look at the step size there. This is increasing here. Higher steps are seen, and I will rather recommend you to sell at 11,520 also, but then be cautious of 500 and 480 levels, and below that 450. If it breaks below this, you can expect a sharper drop, and then we can expect that the retracement might begin for US100. Directional movement here is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. That is another reason. It is looking a little downside. MACD is bullish, trying to converge here. RSI is trading near to the high. So considering this, you can buy at 11,580, sell at 11,520, and below 11,520 till 11,480 and 440. You should trade strictly with the trailing stop loss. Only below 11,450, 440 it is going to crash for 400, 350, 300. On the upside, beyond 11,580, you can expect that 11,620 levels, and beyond 11,620 further bullishness to be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 19th batch is going to start on the first week of February. Equip yourself with right tools, techniques, and strategies so that you can trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now see, yesterday we talked about 34,000 and 33,800. These levels we had discussed several times, that below 34,000, 33,800 is a very strong support. It is precisely trading in between this. Only and only if it breaks out either which ways, you can confirm that it is trying to take a direction. Right now US30 is trying to trade bearish. 33,800 definitely though is a good support here, but I'll wait for it to break past 33,800 in order to trade bearish for 33,500 levels in the coming sessions. But remember, 33,700 is another good support, then 33,500 to be seen. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI trading oversold here, and there could be a possible retracement which can be expected. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, you can see it has completed the journey till here. So it is precisely trading in between the resistances and the supports, that is 33,800, 34,000 levels. It needs to sustain on the upside and downside such that it can give a breakout below 33,800. 33,700 is very strong, and then we can expect it to drop further, which might take it for 3600, 500 levels also. Directional movement bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic is trading oversold on the 2-hour charts. The MACD is extremely bearish. RSI trading oversold here, and possibility for a retracement exists till 34,000 levels. On the 3-hour chart, see, first thing is flat bottom there. It is trying to retrace a bit. Possible reversal can be expected, and only if it trades above 34,000 levels, you can expect that it is trying to retrace till towards 34,200. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD divergent and bearish. RSI at bottom. And if you look at 4-hour charts, similarly on the 4-hour charts, see, flat bottom. I will wait for the next candle, how far it takes. Only and only if it trades above 34,000, a little more bullishness might take it for 34,100 and 200 levels. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD divergent and bearish. RSI at bottom. And if you look at the daily chart, now see, on the daily charts, after the reversal, this was the first breakout candle. It has completely raised the gains for last 3 to 4 days. Now if it trades below 34,800, see, 34,700, 500 levels certainly appears to be the next target. So I'll wait for it. If it breaks below 34,800, directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic looking down. MACD is bullish, trying to converge. RSI trading flat. So in between 33,800 and 34,000 levels, possibly you should remain cautious, and only if it breaks past 34,000 again, you can expect 34,100, 34,200 levels, which is a good resistance zone. And on the downside, see, it can show you very good swings also, because see, it can try to achieve the highs at 34,000, and on the downside, breaking below 33,800, it can achieve till 33,600, 500 levels. So possibility of a swing also exists, and hence you should trade with caution there. Trade with a stop loss on the upside. Be cautious of 34,000, beyond which 34,100, 200 levels to be seen there. And remember, a reversal confirmation is only if it trades above 34,300 levels. So I'll wait for it to break past any of these levels in order to give a confirmation and take your trades. But yes, you should be cautious on the downside where it breaks 33,800. We can certainly see little more bearish move when 33,700, 600, 500 levels are also achievable. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.